Hello guys, today we are going to discuss why most of the aspirant fails in prelims. Okay, first reason is most of the aspirant don't give importance to CSAT and GSPYQs. They only try to solve test series, but first of all you have to solve PYQs, whether it will be of CSAT or GS. Okay, then you have to, most of the students give importance to current affairs more than static. Okay, you have to give importance more to static to clear to understand each and every basic concept of GS subject. Then you have to study current affairs, which is also a very relevant demand and supply, understanding the demand and supply of UPSC prelims exam. And then you have to study current affairs, because current affairs is such a vast, UPSC asks anything from current affairs. So try to read specific from current affairs. Okay, next is most of the aspirant not practice CSAT problems and just binge watch videos. So you have to first, if you complete a percentage topic, then you have to solve from by your own the problems of one percentage, and then you have to watch videos, solving videos. Okay, first of all try to solve questions by your own self. Okay, then watch videos. In actual exam you have to solve question by your own, so practice as much as possible to crack CSAT. Okay, next is most of the aspirant not give mock test. Okay, you have to give mock test for time management. Okay, not for knowledge purpose. Yes, you can gain basic content or any value additional content from mock test, but your first priority for giving mock test is to learn time management in actual exam. Okay, next is not preparing according to demand of the exam. No, if you want to know the demand of the actual exam prelims, then go through PYQs and analyze PYQs. Okay, in which topic UPSC asking question, first of all you have to analyze this, and how UPSC making question wrong. मतलब एक क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी को रॉन्ग बनाना है तो वो कहाँ पे रॉन्ग बना रहा है, वो उसको देखो, उसको अच्छे से एनालाइज करो, उसके PYQs के नोट्स बनाओ और अगेन उसको रिवाइज करो. और PYQ इज़ द मेन सोर्स टू know the mind of examiner, UPSC examiner. So don't ignore PYQs, UPSC PYQs for prelims also and for mains also. Okay, next is you have to solve MCQs for in before 3 months of prelims. Okay, why you solve MCQ? If you solve MCQ before 3 to 4 months before actual prelims exam, then you will get into a prelim solving mode or MCQ solving mode in. Okay, and then in actual exam you cannot struggle to solve MCQ. Okay, next is most of the aspirant cannot handle exam pressure in actual exam. And why this happen just because of not believing in exam process and your own preparation. So you have to trust yourself, exam process and your preparation. Okay, next is most of the aspirants not know their own capabilities. If you are good in CSAT, then try to give more time to GS. If you are not good in CSAT, then give equal time to GS and CSAT. If you are good in GS, then give more time to. These are the capabilities. If you know then you can easily prepare that proportion of exam and you can crack it. Okay, these are the things most of the aspirant do mistake in these things. You don't have to do that mistakes, and trust on yourself and try to be more specific in all stages of UPSC exam, whether it will be your prelims, okay, or mains. Specific पढ़ो, specific लिखो in mains. Okay, and in prelims PYQ मतलब अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन कुछ आएंगे, पर इन एक्चुअल एग्जाम ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन कुछ आएंगे कि उससे आपकी एग्ज़ाम क्लियर होगी. तो आपको उस क्वेश्चन के पीछे भागना है. जो आपको नहीं आते वो किसी को भी नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि जब आपने अच्छे से पढ़ाई की होगी तभी वो किसी को नहीं आएंगे. आप जब हाफ नॉलेज के साथ जाएंगे तो आपको स्ट्रगल करना ही पड़ेगा. सो प्रिपेयर इन नाइस वे एंड देन ट्राई टू डेवलप MCQ solving aptitude and then solve as much as possible mock test to gain to time management. Okay, so thank you.